The hum, a mystery sound driving people mad. Picture this: a low, persistent humming sound, a deep vibration that only you seem to perceive, often more intense at night. This is the hum, a baffling phenomenon reported across diverse locations, from the quiet of Taos, New Mexico, to the urban sprawl of Bristol, England. Those affected describe a low-frequency drone, sometimes rhythmic, that can be incredibly disruptive to daily life and sleep. The elusive source of this sound has sparked numerous theories, ranging from the mundane, like distant industrial operations or power line interference, to more unconventional ideas involving geological or atmospheric anomalies. Despite ongoing scientific investigations and countless personal accounts, a definitive explanation for the hum remains frustratingly out of reach, continuing to impact the well-being of thousands globally.